Hey guys, if you run a Facebook page and you receive a message like this, do not panic. Okay, so we're going to go through this. Dear admins, your Facebook page has been scheduled for permanent deletion due to a violation of our trademark rights. We made this decision after careful consideration and in accordance with our intellectual property protection policies. Sounds pretty official. If you believe this is a misunderstanding, we kindly ask you submit an appeal so we can review it before permanently removing the page from Facebook. We understand that this situation may impact your ongoing business operations. However, please note that if we do not receive your appeal, our decision will be final, then they will give you a link to go to. Now, my advice to you is, unless you've got some serious protections in place, do not click on any of these links. I've got them purely because I already have protections in place to deal with that nonsense. Okay, so where does this link take us? Is it taking us to Facebook? No, it is not. Is it taking us to Meta? No, it is not. So what is the problem with that? Well, Facebook's only going to deal with this on Facebook, and it's only going to deal with this on Meta, and you're going to deal with it at something like business.facebook.com, which is where these kind of things will happen. Now, if you've breached someone's intellectual property rights, usually when someone puts in a request for that, the post that you've put up, it will basically disappear off Facebook, but you will be able to submit an appeal, and you'll be able to do that through your notifications, whatever. You're not going to be doing that because you're going to be running a good business if you're learning from me. So you're not going to be breaching copyright. So this sort of stuff can be safely ignored. So where does this take us? So it's not taking us to Meta. It's taking us to activities.checkveryaccounts.com/community standard. Okay. Now, if you get an email or something like that, you need to make sure that the URL, because you can make it look like the URL is going to one place when it's actually going to another. So you need to make sure. So you need to right-click the URL, and you need to copy the link address before pasting it in your taskbar. And if you go to this one like this, copy the clean address, you'll see that it takes us, bosh, that's adding the Facebook information for the tracking, to the disagree decision, which is appearing here, right? So you've got they're saying we've suspended your account. Oh my God, this is really scary, right? Disagree with decision. It's not going to Meta or Facebook. It's going once again to this one. All right, and this is the laziest crap in the world. So it's going to take your information down, right? So you're expected to put in your information when Facebook should know every single bit about you, and they will be able to attack you because you're dumb enough to go through this and do these things. These things are not even real. There's no help center here. They haven't even bothered to just copy the information across and fake being good, right? This is the lowest form of trash that you can deal with. And you want to know something? The majority of my customers will contact me. I almost get one message every day from somebody contacting me saying that this kind of thing, they're worried about their Facebook account. What have I been doing with their marketing? Well, what I'm doing is I'm basically making this video to make my life easier and your life easier, so that I can send it to everyone who keeps messaging me, and I can send it to I can basically use it to help you to learn and make sure that you're not going to be in this situation. Now, why not go to these URLs? Well, they can put things like, there's a Facebook pixel that they can use to track you. They can put loads and loads of tracking information on these pages, and they can monitor you, and any information that you put into a contact form like this is going to be used against you. So be very, very careful. If you are entering your information into contact forms like this, you're gullible. So if you're looking at the facts of the matter, you've got a disagree with decision right there. Okay, they should know your Facebook account, who you are. They know your name. They know your business email already. They know your personal email. It's like, why do they need to know all of these different things, right? They're getting your mobile number. This is not going to be helpful. Do they even have community terms and standards? No, they don't. That takes you back to Facebook. So we click on that. It takes us right back to Facebook. So this is really, really badly set up. This is dangerous. But the reason they don't have these connecting up to it is because if anyone clicks on the things that are most obvious, right, they want to keep them on this page, which is the disagree with decision page, right? If it's a desperate thing and they're not going to sell this idea to you that they're lying to you, they don't care. They're going to send you back to Facebook because they're not going to deal with that. That's just there to add an area or aura of official, like being official. to everything. So anyway, don't trust anything like this. If Facebook's going to shut your page down and they're worried about it, what will happen is the page will become unpublished, right? And you'll get the option to publish it and to disagree with that on your page, right? You're not going to have to deal with these kind of things. So do not worry, do not panic, do not listen to these people. Just block them. They ain't worth your time, all right? If this video has been helpful to you, consider subscribing, giving me a love, give me a share. Share it with your friends who've got Facebook pages, and if you're worried about them potentially falling for something like this. If this has helped you, let me know. If you get messages like this, let me know. You know, just support the video, and I really appreciate it. You have a lovely day. Bye!